Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to use the Maintain Customer feature in SQL accounting software. The Maintain Customer feature lets you create, edit, and manage customer profiles, whether they're businesses, individuals, or walk-in customers. Let's begin. Start by entering the customer name. You'll notice that the system automatically generates a customer code, capturing the first few characters of the name. Next, set the customer control account, for example, trade debtor or sundry debtor, if you've already preset them in your chart of accounts. You can also choose a customer category if you've created different customer groups. Click the magnifying glass icon to use the Auto BRN lookup feature. The system will automatically fill in the business registration number, BRN, and the TIN number will be updated at the same time. Then, fill in the customer details such as address, country, postcode, attention, contact number, and email. When you key in the postcode, the city and state will be autofilled. If the customer has multiple branches, you can add as many branch addresses as needed. There's no limit to the number you can create. You may also assign the area, sales agent, currency, and credit terms. You can set a credit limit and decide whether to allow the customer to exceed it. For the statement type, you can choose between open item or brought forward statement. Under the e-invoice submission type, select whether it is none, e-invoice, or consolidate. Next, go to the tax tab. If your customer is SST registered, record their tax code and sales or service tax number. If they have an SST exemption, enter the exemption number and expiry date. Finally, review all the details to ensure everything is accurate, and click Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed the Maintain Customer setup in SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.